I love finding great things on the side of the road. Like these doors were literally on the side of the road. And I was like, we got to go back. These are fantastic. And my husband said, well, what are you going to do with them? I don't know about that yet. All I know is I need them. I'll figure that out later. It's a good day today. Today is a good day. I am Taquisha, and this is Our Freedom Song. I know a lot of you have commented that you have just so happened to just stumble upon this page and how happy you are. Well, let me tell you, we are so happy that you are here. We are celebrating 500 of you guys who have decided to stop by and say hey, to look at the content and say, thumbs up, I like what you're doing. And we appreciate, I do not take any of those comments lightly. They are all so encouraging and all the things. And so thank you, all 500 of you. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our channel. Since you have just stumbled upon our channel, right now you've stumbled upon it in a time where it is spring and it is time to garden and time to plant. But this channel is not just going to be about planting and gardening. So we won't just be growing things over in the garden. We do have chickens and beautiful eggs. We do homeschool our family. There's lots of things that we have going on in this house. So we are currently renovating our 1947 style home. And right now we are doing a kitchen renovation, complete kitchen renovation. And I'm also in the process of doing a bathroom refresh. Okay, so I've been doing the bathroom refresh for a while, but let me tell you what happened. See, what had happened was, when spring came, it was time to get out into the yard. Like last summer, we were just knee deep in home renovation things, and we didn't get to really get out here in the front yard and just make it very inviting. And so we just decided, that we would need to just focus on the inside. So this spring, I'm like, I have to get out there. Like, I have to get out there to, plant our garden and just establish some things for sustainability. And so it was time. And so that's when I decided to just to go ahead and start documenting this process. This is our freedom song, and it's not just one thing. It's pretty much us journeying through life. And so if you're here just to see, like, hey, what's going on with the Brooks family over there, or just curious to know what we have going on over here, what kind of projects we're doing, this page is going to be filled with that. You're going to see things that's going on in our kitchen and in our bathroom and any other thing that we decide to build. We're going to be building a shed in the back. We're going to be building a greenhouse. We're going to be just building some different things. And so if you're interested in that type of content, you've definitely come to the right place. And I cannot leave out, as you have already seen or probably suspected, we are believers, happily, unapologetically. So thank you for joining us on this journey that we call Our Freedom Song.